Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So I had one of my subscribers email me and say they saw one of my videos the other day and could I do another example of how you can make some easy money online using the website Fiverr. So I'll jump straight into today's video and show you another simple and easy way to make money online using Fiverr.com. So let's jump over onto Fiverr. So this is Fiverr. Now I'm in Fiverr and I've come on to video and animation and I've gone on the first one, which is called Whiteboard and Animated Explainers. So let's just scroll down here and we'll look at some of the different videos and prices on here. So these here are basically whiteboard animation videos, and you can see the prices that they're all starting at they're all very different, aren't they? So I've seen some on here starting at £25 and I've seen some, well, I've just seen one a minute ago at £4,200. So obviously I'm in the UK, so these are the UK prices. Depending on where you are, they will be in the currency of your country. But all of these whiteboard animations, they're all easy to do, they're all simple to do, and more importantly, they're quick to do. You just need the software to do these, and it's free, and I'll show you exactly where you can get that from in a few minutes. But first of all, let me just show you some of these videos. So let's just scroll down. So I will create originally drawn whiteboard animation for you starting from £97. We've got another one over here starting at £40, and then we've got there's just so many on here starting at different price points. So let's just scroll through and have a look at some of these. And as you can see, they're all very similar. There's nothing unique about any of these, to be honest with you. So let's look at this one here. I was trying to find one a bit cheap so I could show you like a cheaper version one. So here's one. So we've got one here at £28.39, and let's just press play on this video so you can see exactly what it looks like.
Looking to get a whiteboard animation done? Why not let the best of the best handle your video? BNN Marketing. We are a fully dedicated team of creatives working 24/7.
So as you can see, it's just a whiteboard animation video starting at £28.39, and then as always with Fiverr you have upsells and gig upsells, but this one's at £28.39. This is from a top rated seller. We've got another one up here. Look, if we just click on this one here, £36.51.
Hi, are you an entrepreneur or a company? Do you have a product, website, or service that you want to promote?
Again, very similar to this one down here. So you can see here, and if you look at the feedback and the ratings on these, you can go into the feedback here and have a look at how many of these that they've sold. But I do know that whiteboard animation, it's a very, very popular category on Fiverr. So you may be wondering, how on earth could you come into one of these popular categories and start earning sales? Now, the best way, what I would recommend for you to do this is, when you come in here, undercut the market. That's the easiest way and the best way for you to start going up the rankings on Fiverr, by undercutting the market. And when I'm saying about undercutting the market, I'm talking about your price point. You do not want to undercut the market and offer less. If anything, you want to undercut the market for a lot cheaper price, but also include the same or more for what the customer's going to get. So here's another one. Let's look at this one. £48.68.
If a picture is worth 1,000 words, what is a video worth? So why haven't you started an online video marketing?
Let me just pause this. Let me pause this and let's just quickly look into this one here. But you can see they're all pretty similar. There's nothing on here that stands out between any of them really, other than colours. But we'll just have a look at this seller here on Fiverr and look at their upsells. And this is what I would recommend you to do. I'll show you where to get the software for free in a minute. But first of all, I'll just have a look at this seller on here. And what I would recommend you to do is look at the top rated sellers, look at what they're offering, offer the same, but for far cheaper. And then once you feedback and start getting some sales on Fiverr and you start going up the rankings and on the different pages, you can then start upping your price. So you can see here, this one here, it starts at $60. You get a 40 seconds animated video including a voiceover, background music and a logo. And we'll scroll down here, you can see here. So all these things here are included, and deliveries in 4 days, and you get unlimited revisions. So that is the basic package. We've got a standard package, which is, thinking about it, come on, Goodness me, I don't know what's going on with this. Standard. I do not know what. Oh, that is finally done it. Hallelujah. So, basic at 60, standard at $100, and again, it shows you exactly what you're going to get. So it's a bit of a longer video. Instead of it in 40 seconds, you're now getting a minute. Let's try and click on premium, see what it shows you. So we've gone from 60 to $100, and then premium is £113. Now, for whatever reason, the price on here is jumping between pounds and dollars. It shouldn't normally do this on Fiverr. The currency is normally to the country you're in, so basic is £48, standard was £80 and £81, and then premium is 100. What was it? 130 minutes. With each package that you're buying here, you're just getting a longer animated video, and then you can include all of this. So this is the different gigs that are available on Fiverr for these whiteboard animations. So where do you get the software? Come here. I'll drop a link to this below for you. So this is Easy Sketch Pro 3. Now this is still available to buy. You can go ahead and you can buy this on JVZoo, and it's about 20. I think it's priced somewhere between $19 and $25. But you can go ahead and get it for free using the link that I've put below for you. And I'll just click on play so you can see this software in action and exactly what you get.
This for our latest Facebook promotion, amazing doodle sketch animation software, totally free of charge, right now. Explode your video marketing by using this software to create amazing sketch videos that will increase your conversion rate.
So this here is the software that probably about 70 to 80% of these people on Fiverr are using. There's other ones available. This one is Easy Sketch Pro 3. This is one of the best available on the market. There's also Doodly and FX and a couple of other ones. But this one here, Easy Sketch Pro 3. You get this, you put in your name, your email, enter your password, and then what happens is you click on Access Now. It'll take you through to a members area. You put in your name. Oh, sorry, you put in your password. Confirm. I'm just getting it wrong, aren't I? Put in your name, your email, your password, click Access Now. Once you've done that, you'll go through to the next screen, and it will say put in your email and your password, and then it will give you instant access to this product here, Easy Sketch Pro 3. You click download, you download the software, and you can start using it straight away. And then you can once you've got the software, you can come over onto Fiverr and you can start uploading your gigs into video animation, whiteboard, and animated explainers. So that is pretty much enough for today's video. It's how to make easy, simple money on Fiverr. And if you do exactly what I've said in here and you undercut the market and offer the similar product or service what they're doing, then you're going to start seeing results, you're going to start seeing some sales. And all I would say is if you do decide to go down this route, then just make sure that you do continue with it. Because what happens online is a lot of people get excited about this. So maybe you're watching this video now and you're thinking, this sounds great, I'm going to give this a go. You download the software, you go onto Fiverr, you start uploading your gigs, and then after 2 or 3 days you're not getting any sales, and then people just stop. The key to earning online and the key to success is just make sure you don't give up, you just continue. So if you've been... I told you, it's been a long day. So if this is one way that you want to look at making money on Fiverr, then absolutely go ahead and have a look at this. If this method in particularly for you, then go ahead and have a look at the videos on my channel, because I upload videos daily and there's so many videos on my channel about how you can earn money online. It's all geared around earning money quickly, it's geared around earning money simply, and most of the videos that I share, you don't need any money to get started. So that's enough for today's video. This was whiteboard animations. I'll drop a link to this category on Fiverr so you know exactly where this is. I will drop a link over to here so you can go and get this Easy Sketch Pro 3 for free. So that's it. So thank you very much for watching today's video. If you are new here, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel, because I upload videos every single day about how you can earn money online. So if you're interested in earning money online, then this is the channel for you. So thank you again, and I shall see you tomorrow.